The weight is confirmed on the manifest.
Okay, send the next one through.
Next truck, proceed slowly through the scan.
Confirmed. Direct to Bay 4 for unloading.
The reading stabilized at 75.20. Everything looks correct.
All right, I've logged it in the system.
We are showing 58 tons of cane for this load.
Noted. I will update the manifest and clear the vehicle.
The interconnected system ensures a smooth transition of the sugarcane towards the next stage of processing.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Holding steady at 50 psi.
Pressures holding steady at 200 psi. Keep the flow rate consistent.
Clarity is excellent on this batch.
Confirmed. The gauge readings are stable.
We need to monitor the Gula Tebu closely at this stage to ensure optimal clarity.
Agreed. The refractometer reading is slightly low.
Check the temperature on line 3 is fluctuating again. We are reaching saturation point. The crystals are growing rapidly now.
Confirmed. The density measurements are stable.
Look at the structure here. The growth rate seems optimal.
Yes, the seeding was successful.
The bags are precisely weighed at automated stations, ensuring accuracy before the heat seal machines create a perfect closure.
Here we see the high-speed rollers spinning the packages forward, with sensors ensuring flawless application every time. Zone 3 pallet is clear, confirming priority status for the Gula Tebu load.
Watch the left side, bring it back slowly. All right, set it down. Secure the straps on the right.
Ensure the straps are secure on the Gula Tebu pallets.
Confirmed. Tension is good. Bay 3 is ready.
Well done. Safe travels.
The deviation was corrected instantly.
Noted. The system is optimal.
Check the seal integrity on this one.
Scan clear, label confirmed accurate.
The throughput is up 20% from the last quarter.
The new alignment lasers are definitely paying off.
The Gudula facility utilizes advanced robotics to wrap over 1,000 pallets an hour. Maintain.
Team, remember safety protocols in aisle 4.
Copy that, Supervisor. Inventory check complete on 3B.
All right, hold it right there. Clear to back up. Copy, bringing the load in. Bring it back slow, watch the clearance on your right. We need that pallet for Bay 3 now.
Lane 7 diversion complete. All pallets routed to Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Maintaining optimal flow.
The consistency of gula sugar is paramount, requiring rigorous testing at every stage of the process.
Purity levels are optimal on this batch.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Monitor the alignment on Lane 2. Ensure the robotic arms maintain the current reorganization rhythm.
Ensure the Gula packs are routed to Lane 4 immediately.
Confirmed. Diverting the shipment now.
Watch the alignment on that gula carton. Got it, pushing it through now.
Watch the pallet. Clear on the left.
Bay 4 is secure. Manifest complete.
Keep that conveyor moving. We need these gula cartons cleared by the afternoon shift.
Roger that. Almost clear here.
Make sure the Gula logo is facing front on all of them.
Got it. How many layers high? Scan this one, please. Already did. Put it on the top shelf. 2 gula tebu. Your total is 649.
All set with that. Thank you, appreciate it.
All set here.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.